Good evening, India. Hi, this is Anjal Puri on Daza Talks with Spotify. Today, we are welcoming our esteemed guest. She's a transformation coach and हमारे स्टूडियो में वो आ चुकी हैं ताजा टॉक्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पे. सो वेलकम अनीता जी.
Hi, Achal.
कैसे हैं आप?
Fine, ma'am.
Perfect. So tell us something about yourself to our viewers.
Okay. Uh, my name is Anita D'Souza, and I'm a confidence and transformational coach. I started my journey actually as a life coach a few years back. I have been a corporate trainer before, but then just recently I decided that I want to be a life coach.
So what was the exact turning point moment when you decided to transform not just your life, but also to coach to others in their lives?
Yeah, so the exact turning point in my life happened sometime last year when my husband met with a very serious accident, and overnight our finances and our financial security was shattered. The savings were wiped out, and we had very limited help. And also like my husband's the treatment expenses and everything was so high, and my children's education, so all that really shook us a lot. And then it was like I saw that despair in the eyes of my husband. There's so much of despair, and that really broke my heart. I felt totally shattered. And that day I realized that nobody's coming to help us, so we have to lift ourselves up. And in fact, we have to also, if possible, extend a helping hand to those people who are in a similar situation to come up in life. So then after that, so despite the financial crisis, we took this bold step to invest in my comeback. And that decision reignited hope and helped us rebuild. And so today I coach women to reclaim their power and rewrite their story. Because if I can rise, then definitely so can they.
Bilkul, bilkul, absolutely right. So
Yes.
how is he now?
He's much better. He has recovered now. This happened last year, so it took about 6 months for him to recover. So physiotherapy treatment and everything, because he had injured his knee, and he's a fitness instructor. So obviously his job was very badly hit. So that is what. And I was at home. I've been on a 13-year sabbatical, a break. So that is one of the things that happened, the turning points that happened in my life. So right now he is much better. He's normal now. He has started his work and all.
God bless him.
Thank
So,
you.
ma'am, if I gave you a magic remote control
Yeah.
to rewind your life, which one chapter would you revive differently?
Okay. So I would not change anything. Honestly, I would not change anything, because every challenge, right from my 13-year sabbatical to the heartbreak that I felt when the doors closed in front of me, and people like insufficient support. So all these things helped to shape me into the person that I am. It taught me courage, resilience, and also empathy. So if I rewind the chapter and I relive my life, then I will lose all those lessons, which are now helping me to help other women, in their life. So that is why then no edits. I don't want any edits. I just want to say gratitude. I want to extend my gratitude to my journey that made me who I am today.
Gratitude has to be there for everything.
Yes,
Of
very
course.
true.
Right. So,
Yes,
ma'am, many women feel powerless after setbacks.
yes,
What is the first mental switch they need to flip to bounce back?
yes. So I would say that the setback does not define you. I would say the switch is the setback does not define you, because it is just an event. So the moment you decide to separate yourself from the event, then you regain your power. And from that place, anything is possible. You can really achieve. You feel powerful when you're in that place. And so
Absolutely.
you can really achieve whatever you like from there.
Absolutely. So, how do you personally handle days when you feel low or demotivated? Does a coach also need to, वो भी तो उनको भी तो पावर चाहिए, तो आप
Yes,
अपने आप
very
को कैसे बैलेंस करती हैं?
Yes, ma'am. So I would say that, yeah, definitely any coach who says that, they don't need a coach, I think they're not being fully honest because, yeah, I have my mentor and I have my rituals as well. So I do journaling and then I do affirmations. I also do some movement, some exercise or something like that. So on my low days, I just tell myself, I remind myself that feelings are temporary, they will go, but my purpose is permanent. So I focus on my purpose.
Wow,
That's
wonderful.
what I do.
That means now you are fully loaded.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, what is the most powerful transformation story of one of your clients that still gives you goosebumps?
Yeah. So one of my clients, she came to me one day. She was feeling very broken after her career break. She felt that she has totally lost her years and her life. It's totally lost. But today, she's really got a thriving business, and she really inspires people from various platforms around, around the world. In fact, so the day that she called me to say that I believe in me, I really cried happy tears. I was so happy for her because I had seen the pain in her. And then when she just made this one statement that I believe in me, it really made me cry with joy, tears of joy.
यस मैम, बिल्कुल। जब आपकी वजह से कोई ठीक होता है तो वो बहुत
Yes,
बड़ी स्टोरी होती है आपकी लाइफ की, बिकॉज आज की डेट में अगर मैं नाउ डेज बात करूं तो पीपल आर वेरी सेल्फ सेंटर्ड। उनको सिर्फ
yes,
ग्रैटिट्यूड बहुत कम मिलता है। और जब से मैंने ये, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट मी, तो कोचेस की जब से मैंने बात की और मैं कोचेस के साथ पॉडकास्ट करने लगी, आई लर्न सो मेनी लेसन्स।
yes.
मुझे भी मिल रहा
Yeah.
है, मुझे भी बहुत सारी क्रिएचर्स मिल रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत सारी मोटिवेशंस मिल रहे हैं, क्योंकि कोई
True.
लाइफ कोच है, कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कोच है, कोई वेलनेस कोच है, तो बहुत चीजें इवन आई एम आल्सो लर्निंग फ्रॉम देम।
Yes, very true.
Exactly. So, ma'am, confidence and ego are sometimes mistaken as the same. How do you draw the line?
Okay, so confidence is actually something that comes from self worth, and ego is what comes from fear. So confidence says that I am enough, but this ego says that it screams that I have to prove that I'm enough. So any action that is done from a place of contribution rather than comparison, that is confidence. That's what I will say. Yeah.
So, ma'am, you say reclaim,
Yes.
refocus, reinvent. Which of these three words personally defines you the most and why?
Yeah, so I really, what defines me the most is reinvent because I've done this with myself many times. So, and whenever life threw, curved balls at me,
Mhm.
I always chose to rewrite the story rather than sticking to the old script. So I feel reinvention is freedom. And because you can actually reinvent yourself anytime, it's never too late to begin. That's what I believe. You can begin anytime, you can restart. So that's why reinvention is what defines me also.
Absolutely right, you are. Because obviously you can start, but reinvent has to be there. Because अगर आपने अपने आप को reinvent कर लिया, तो फिर आपकी journey को कोई नहीं रोक सकता.
Very true.
So if
Yes.
young women listening today had to pick only one daily ritual to build confidence, what would you suggest? As in Anita D'Souza.
Yes. So something which has also helped me a lot is that I would advise any young woman to just stand in front of. It's a very simple mirror ritual to stand in front of the mirror and to look into your eyes. Stand straight, look into your eyes, and just say, "I am enough. I am capable, and I deserve to live my dreams." So because and just keep repeating, say it every morning till you believe it, till you feel that feeling really in you, because the way you see yourself is how the world is going to see you.
Right.
So that is one thing.
So what is your vision for the comeback code in the next 5 years?
Okay, so the comeback code, I see the comeback code as a global movement. I see it as a kind of a safe space for women who have who have suffered a setback because of career breaks, to find this to come back and to help them through books, journals, and through books, workshops, and live events. And also, I would like to impact their lives by uh, helping them reclaim their power and re-step into rewrite their story. So that is what, and to step into their unapologetic power. That's what I would like them to do.
Absolutely right. But one thing I wanted to say that every woman should do whatever she wants, because उसमें जिसको उस चीज में जिसको उसको खुशी मिलती है वो उसको करना ही चाहिए.
Yes, true.
बिल्कुल. So ma'am, if you were not a coach, what completely different career would Anita D'Souza be in today?
Yeah. So I would be a chartered financial analyst
Wow.
because I loved creating wealth. So, but then life had a different plan for me. I am even now, I'm creating wealth, but a different kind of wealth. I'm creating the wealth of confidence, clarity, and courage in women, in their lives of women. And to me, that is really priceless.
Wow, very nice. So, ma'am, we'll play rapid fire round with you. Okay. So, one word that defines Anita.
Resilience.
Resilience. Okay. Your guilty pleasure snack.
It is raspberry duet ice cream. Raspberry duet.
I love it. Morning mantra in 3 words.
I'll say align, act, and attract.
All three are A's.
Eh,
Achal.
Achal, yes.
So, confidence or comfort? What wins?
Confidence.
Perfect. Book that changed your mindset forever.
The Giant Within by Tony Robbins.
Okay. One thing women must unlearn immediately.
They must unlearn to seek permission to shine.
Nice answer. I must say.
Yes.
Yes. So, favorite travel destination to recharge?
Goa.
Wow, same here. If confidence were a dress, what color would it be?
Bold red. Red.
Yeah. So, success in one emoji.
Fire.
Coffee or meditation?
Meditation. Calm. I like to calm myself, center myself.
One message from your side to all the women's, Indian women's, those who are very, very talented, but due to some reason, they are not coming in front of the world. So, would it be?
I would say that you don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. And another sentence I would like to say is success is shabby. So it's like you have to take your steps. Don't be worried about what people are going to say. You are on your own journey. You have to be a better version of your own self every
Absolutely
day.
right.
That is
Absolutely right.
what I'll say.
So, आप अभी next 5 सालों में अपने आप को कहाँ देखती हैं?
I would see myself at least as a well-known coach in India.
Wow, very nice. So आपसे कनेक्ट करने के लिए थ्रू दादा टॉक्स प्लेटफॉर्म में जब आपके एपिसोड लिंक शेयर कर दिए जाएंगे तो कैसे आपको लोग कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं? हाउ कैन दे अप्रोच यू? आपका सोशल मीडिया हैंडल यहाँ पे शेयर कर दीजिए हमारे व्यूअर्स के साथ.
Okay, the Insta handle is there. So Anita_JD. J D'Souza.
Fine.
Yeah, I will share it.
श्योर मैम, श्योर मैम. सो आपके बीच में आज व्यूअर्स थी अनीता डिसूजा जी और उन्होंने आपको बहुत कुछ बताया अपने बारे में. नेक्स्ट 5 इयर्स इंडिया की वेल नोन कोच होने वाली है. जो जितना जल्दी हो सके इनसे कनेक्ट कर लीजिए, बाद में अपॉइंटमेंट लेना पड़ेगा. सो लिंक एपिसोड शेयर करते ही, रिलीज होते ही शेयर कर दिया जाएगा. सो प्लीज लाइक कीजिएगा, कमेंट्स कीजिएगा एंड शेयर कीजिएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच अनीता मैम.
Thank you so much, Anchal ji. It was really nice connecting with you.
थैंक यू सो मच.